This looks freaking awesome. This can definitely be kickflip. Ah! It's harder than it looks, brother. Ride the waves, brother. Hey you guys, we're here today with another fantastic video here on the Braille Skateboarding YouTube channel. Nigel, what's your name?
I don't know.
We realize that we film all of these videos and we expect you guys to know who we are, but
a lot of people surprisingly don't know who we all are.
And we're hoping that a lot of you guys watching this video aren't subscribed yet and are gonna subscribe during this video. We would have to introduce ourselves.
Yeah, if you hit that like button within 3 seconds, nothing will happen, but it'll make us feel
be like Fetty will smile right now. So this is Nigel Jones.
Hello guys.
My name is Gabe Cruz.
I'm Fetty.
Carlos Lastra.
My name is Young Technology.
Behind the camera is Aussie Dan, and today we are gonna be skateboarding on skimboards. I think maybe like a week or two ago you saw a video of us going to Half Moon Bay and actually using these in the ocean, so you can put a clip of that right now. Get in there, Dan! Wow, that was great.
Wow, Thanos.
I just snapped that clip into existence. And now we're gonna actually drill into these, put trucks and wheels on them, and see if we can kickflip one.
We're gonna grip one of them.
But I think we should make two.
For science.
Can we try to drop in just regularly?
Yeah,
you can.
Sure.
Ooh, wow.
Wow.
Hey, this is kind of scary.
You got this, Dan. Just don't snap it. Oh! You got it, Carlos. I will not be trying this one. Nope, absolutely not. Thanks, Dan. All right, so which one should we grip? Should we grip this one or should we grip the other one? This one's way stronger. I also think this can definitely be kickflipped. You can always just go like this. That'll work, right? I stole some grip tape, Nigel.
Yeah, thanks.
3 sheets today already.
3 sheets. 3 sheets today?
Yep.
I'm about to start charging you, bud.
Wait, I want a line.
Nope, I need screws.
That's That's decor right there, brother. Nice. I'm getting real fancy with it. Hey, I want to do this. Hey, brother, you're stealing my thunder.
You get that side.
Let me show you the Cairo grip.
You learned from that, man?
That's how he does it.
I went right through, brother.
Whoa. Look at how satisfying this is. Oh my God. I love this part of the job. Oh. Can I just say this looks freaking awesome? Dude. You guys think this is a good idea. We're just skimming the surface.
Did you go all the way in there just to think of that one?
Eat your cereal with skim milk.
If Gabe does, he pours his
up!
milk first.
Did you guys know this? Did you guys know? Did you? Yo, I gotta tell. Gabe pours his milk. Gabe pours.
Come on.
I added a level.
There you go.
Hey, yo, can I play Dark Souls?
Whoa.
That's gonna break, brother.
That's why we have the nicer one. Oh. Oh. Oh yeah, this one's gonna break fast.
Wait, I got an idea.
What?
Use this as the tail.
That's not a bad idea.
That's so terrible.
What do you mean? It pops way better.
Just let him test out the physics. You never know what'll happen.
Try a kickflip.
Drop in. How do you do that?
I have to like stand perfectly on the trucks. So like I'm not on the tail with the nose.
I'm being watched. I can't be a weenie.
Wow.
See that combo, brother? I want you to blunt that.
Yeah, I can 5-0 fake that.
My left.
Well, it might be better for the more sturdy one, but who knows? Fetty can do anything. Body! The best part is that it looks no different from actual skimboarding. Thank you, brother. Here you go, Dan. Dan, this is the amateur skimboard for Gabe's, and those are the pro. That's the pro model for Fetty and Carlos and Nigel and all them. Can't get enough speed. I can't get enough speed.
I just got here too, man.
Should we kickflip off? It's harder than it looks, brother. Okay, this is possible. All right, right here. Oh, I got this. If you don't leave the shoe marks, it doesn't count. I hope that woke you all up. I'm gonna make this shot and then I'm gonna make the kickflip.
Ready yet? He made the shot. He's got to do the kickflip.
You gotta make the kickflip.
I've done the calculations. I've done the calculations here. We just need a little more height.
What's happening here, Dan? What
I
are they doing?
don't even know. I don't question it.
I actually think that Carlos could kickflip the 5 though.
Young sandwich right here. He's trying to hit that nose slide. He just hit that deli style nose slide.
Ride the waves, brother. Fight them. The 270 shove out is the ocean, and you are in there flexing on them, brother. Young Wax. We found another nickname for Carlos.
Young Candle over here.
Young
Melting.
Candle.
Now we're on a slip and slide.
We should do Braille goes to a water park. What kind of videos you want us to make? Leave a comment below, let us know. You know, Dan, if you were on Cool Wheels, your ankles would be a lot safer. Cool Wheels sponsored Dan and Gabe. Just any hover shoes company, please sponsor us. And you guys keep sending in the Ripstip God photoshops. Those are just, they're better and better. If you guys get the Avengers and then photoshop all of our faces onto them, but then we're all holding ripsticks, that's my ideal. That's it.
They're so good.
We're going in
Whoa,
to
he
uncharted
speaks Spanish.
territories, brother.
Go ahead, Carl. Take it away, brother.
You don't want to land it?
Nah, I don't want to break it before Carlos kickflips everything.
I have 2 questions. 1, how did he land like that? And 2, how did it not snap? You should just land on your stomach.
It's your boy right here, young capybara. He's about to come kickflip the 3.
Isn't it capybara?
We don't even know.
We need CPR!
Need some milk.
As long as it's some milk. As long as it's skim milk.
He needs some skim milk! Oh, body! Revive, brother!
What did you hit like everything?
You did the world's first skimboard sack.
Redeem yourself, Los Litos!
Dude, that sucked.
So you want Carlos to get hit? Not. Oh, wait, that sounded bad. You don't want Carlos. Oh!
No wonder it hurts.
Carlos, that's what you get for wearing skinny jeans.
You have to take your hat off so the emo will help you kickflip. You're halfway there.
I'm not supposed to be screaming. Please lower the audio on that.
Oh, I'm scared now.
Every try he misses, he will become more emo and become more powerful.
I need a higher drop.
Just gotta take down the Braille drop. It counts. Cthulhu once again comes through. All right, Nigel. Oh.
I just want to try one try.
That was really scary because I tried to jump off, but it has such square footage that I jumped off and I was still on the board.
Advanced levels of square footage.
Square footage.
It had so much real estate.
Where's he going?
I don't know.
Where's he going?
I don't know. Bodied. Hey, right here, brother.
I don't know where that was going.
Like, comment, subscribe.
We need to clean up on aisle 5 stair.
It was hard. It was fun to skate though. What'd you think,
There's
Jay?
some. I don't know. I kind of just want to end this video.
Fine, end it then, sir.
All right. That actually worked out a lot better than I thought. I enjoyed you fighting the ocean a lot more than fighting the concrete. There's some videos right there. Go ahead and check them out. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And you guys need to learn how to skateboard. So go to brailleskateboarding.com. Get skateboarding made simple. Watch our tutorials on YouTube. All that stuff is made to teach you guys how to skateboard. Right now is your time. There is no excuse.